Hey guys, welcome to our channel again.
Journey with the Jackson.
Hey, today we are coming from
Chilitos.
yes, we are checking out some Mexican food. Yeah,
So I think it's a cross between Mexican and Jamaican.
yeah,
Right. So that's what we're gonna check out today. So if you love the Mexicano foodie,
yeah.
then Chilitos is the place to go. We took what? We're going to try burrito and
Bolito,
burrito and chimichanga.
chimichanga.
Chimichanga. So
If we are Jamaica, we janga.
Anyway, I hope you're hearing the rubbish that he's saying. But anyways, we are gonna be trying the burrito and the chimichanga, and we're gonna tell you what that tastes like. So if you're in Jamaica, if you have ties to Mexico, or if you love Mexican food, then I think you should come here to check this out. It's Snack on Hope Road. It's very convenient.
Very close to Ligani.
Yeah.
Basically in Ligani.
Yeah. So you could come and try it. Alright, so we'll see you guys. Oh, by the way guys, thank you so much for tuning in to us and for always watching and supporting us. If you're new to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
And if you are watching this video and you've not yet liked it, go right on ahead and like this video.
Yeah.
Who the best out here?
And guys, put your hands already.
Yeah, wash already. This is bad.
In the sauce. Alright, let's show you what this looks like.
Alright, so unwrapping of the oh, it looks like one fritters. Okay, but both is there are some stuff inside, and when we bite it, we can show you. Burrito. Boy, it's heavy. This full belly. Let's see. Let us see. It looks similar to the chimichanga, but it have whole heap of things inside it.
Alright.
Be heavy.
Alright, hold on.
Oh.
We unwrap it, hold on. Alright. Oh, this is actually the quesadilla. So we'll order quesadilla. What is this again, baby? Oh,
Cheese.
this is a corn salsa. Let's see what that is. The peppers. Peppers. This is a jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Alright, let's close that. Some side. What's this side? Ooh, this is a chimichanga. So actually this is our second time here. And the first time we tried chimichanga and Doritos, but we tried the beef chimichangas. This time we're trying the what, babe? This is what? Grill?
Grilled chicken.
Yeah, this is a grilled chicken chimichanga. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is the sesame sauce. Cheese, and who knows what this is? I'm not sure. Alright, so the last time I I'm gonna try this one. I can't wait, right? So it's warm, and the chimichanga is like a tortilla. I don't. Is it really like a tortilla? What is this on the outside? Like tortilla with cheese and chicken inside of it. Let's see what this one tastes like. This is really good. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's salsa.
It's good.
Try this. So we've had quesadilla before. We have it. Yeah, we've had it in Florida, and it was good. I loved it. Then let's see what that is like.
Your first time trying it here in Jamaica, right?
Yeah. Interesting. Cheesy.
Different. Yeah. Not too cheesy.
Yeah.
Very beefy. It tastes good. I think you'll enjoy this day. It tastes good. It tastes good.
What I expected. I expected more cheese, but it's good. The taste is good. I think we ordered the wrong filling. We ordered beef filling, and we should have probably ordered chicken. There's a fly. What it looks like on the inside, guys. It's lacking cheese. I'm not sure if this is lacking cheese.
The chimichangas are more of the high point.
The last time we had the burrito, I wasn't a big fan of the burrito at all, and I'm not a big fan of this quesadilla at all, but I'm in love with the chimichanga. The last time I had it with the beef filling, and this time I'm having it with the chicken filling, and I love it just as much. I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for your continued support and big up on yourself, yeah? Alright, we are